This tutorial guides you through activating a subscription of SignageTube Live for Microsoft PowerPoint. For a trial of our product, you don't need to activate anything. You can explore and enjoy our software during the trial period. When you decide that you want to continue using our software, then you take a subscription on our website, and you will get an API key. Make sure that you have this API key by hand. Start Microsoft PowerPoint and click the SignageTube option in PowerPoint to begin the subscription activation process. Click the About button to see your subscription state. Click the Activate button to initiate the activation procedure for your chosen product. Fill in the key of your subscription's activation code to verify your purchase and enable the subscription. Click the Next button to proceed to the confirmation step after entering the API key. Click OK to finalize the activation and complete the subscription setup process. You have successfully activated your subscription by entering the API key. You can now access all features associated with your subscription. For further assistance, consider exploring subscription management or renewal options. Enjoy our software.